Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Izzah Zazun binti Zaini and I'm from Session 2. So today I would like to present my design project, which is a rehabilitation center for sea turtle. This project is mainly focused for our precious endangered species, which is the sea turtle at CHEROK, PALOH. My focus client are the researchers and it is open for semi-public, but it is just centered to treat and preserve the turtles. Hi, okay, you can see here there is two wind flow which is coming from the northeast and the southwest. This is because of the prevailing wind that happened caused by the land breeze and the sea breeze. Okay, and then you can see the good view is the sea, and the bad view is the road. You can see at the southeast there is bad smell causes of the littering. Okay, you can see there is bubbles in the middle of the site. This is indicate the particular spaces which is the mood for the space, such as there is private, semi-private, and also public. So the entrance is coming from the west part from the side, which is coming along from the inner SAM. And what I got from this site synthesis is the prevailing wind. There is the greatest opportunity from this side, because you can have the bigger opening at the northeast and the southwest to collect the wind for the natural ventilation. Okay, now we go to the design concept. Okay, the concept of this sea turtle rehabilitation center is derived from two main key ideas, which are sea wave and the sea turtle. Okay, this design basically takes several element or feature of sea turtle and the sea wave. Therefore, the concept is curvilinear as the principle apply are rhythm and movement. So, the curved building envelope is purposely to symbolize the wavy wave at Pantai CHEROK, PALOH. As I have mentioned before, my concept is curvilinear. So, the first step that acts as the start up of my design is a simple S line, which is the idea coming from the wavy wave. Then it goes to many S lines to create immediate shape and volume. Next, the middle line that crosses the S lines is to indicate that the area has the potential to become a space. There's a circle at the middle of the S line, and the idea of the circle is for a dome for exhibition space, and this is the final idea shape for the floor plan. This stage of development is to give the outer shape of the building, and I wanted to have a very curvy line like the wave at the sea, and this is the final last step of the development idea. Now I've got the idea, let's go to see the final outcome. Moving on to the site plan. From here, we can see that there are 15 parking spaces for both visitors and the staff of the center. And there is guard house at the entrance, the drop-off point and the loading bay of the building, sedimentation pond, the disposal house, and the overall circulation within the site. This is my ground floor plan. So from here, I want to ask you what you can see from this ground floor plan. If I were you, it's look like the front view of the sea turtle. The yellow circle can indicate the spaces that can fit into the shape of the sea turtle. For the ground floor, the mood space are private and public. Sometimes the private become semi-public if they are public visitors. Once you enter the building, you can see a huge aquarium in front of you, and it acts as the focal point to attract people's eye. So the spaces that has on the ground floor are musola, public toilet, laboratory, tank room, cafe, and kitchen. There is also the entrance for the staff, as the entrance is near to the parking lot. So the staff can go straight to the office at the first floor by the staircase at their left side. The lab and the tank room is near to each other because if anything happen or emergency, it can go straight to the lab to get the treatment. Moving on to the first floor. Go to the first floor, you have to go up by the spiral staircase, and the best part is you can enjoy the creature inside the aquarium along to go to the first floor. On the first floor, there are office, balcony, service room, seminar room, and reading room. At the first floor, you can enjoy the view of the sea because there are a huge window glass. From what you can see from the southwest elevation, there are many bigger openings where it is integrated with the operable louvers at the wall and also at the window to collect wind from the southwest during daytime for the natural ventilation. So this design can reduce the energy use in the building. Same goes to the northeast elevation. There are a bigger opening and also a smaller window opening to collect the wind during the night time. The highest peak from the first floor to the ceiling is approximately 9 meters, which is good for wind circulation, and the hot air can exit at the top window louvers. The depth of the aquarium is 5 meters, and people can see and touch the water at the first floor while enjoying the fascinating view of sea. Moving on to the architectural lighting design strategies. The method used for both cafe and exhibition area is direct lighting, where the general and downlighting technique is used. For the exhibition area, the area is open and there is a skylight at the ceiling to supply natural lighting during daytime. This can reduce the electricity as the skylight is wider and efficient to supply the lighting, and also the center has less visitor, so they do not need to switch all the light on. But there is also directional lighting mounted on the wall to spotlight the poster at the wall to ease people to read. The lamp for the directional lighting is halogen lamp. Halogen lamp has been widely used in exhibition area because of the chromatic quality of their light. Halogen lamps have typically a color temperature between 2800 and 3000 Kelvin degrees and a natural spectral distribution that make them ideal to illuminate poster, painting, etc. And there is also the flush ceiling light as the light source during nighttime. Same goes to the cafe. The light source used is directional lighting, where they use pendant lighting to light up the cafe, and also the flush ceiling light to give extra luminous in the cafe. Next, we move to the construction details. The building used frictional piling as the deep foundation in the sandy sand area. The column used is reinforced concrete column and it is connected to the I-steel beam. The column is slanted and same goes to the window.
지금 우린 함께 할 수 있을까 Baby 네 눈을 보면 알 수 있을까 너도 내 맘과 같았으면 좋겠어 네 조금 느린 발걸음이 나는 좋았어 Barefoot, barefoot Take off your shoes and step in the bed Barefoot, barefoot 우린 같은 온도에 있어 푸른 네 바닷속은 얼마나 깊을까 걷어가고 싶을 때 내가 보고 싶을 때 또 네가 말